Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome to Bible 365, Bible Stories and Prayers, where we read one Bible story a day for 1 year. Last time, we were reading Isaac and Rebekah, Genesis 24. And today, boys and girls, we're reading Jacob and Esau are born. Genesis 25:19 through 34. For many years after they were married, Isaac and Rebekah had no children. But Isaac remembered God's promise that Abraham's family would be the start of a great nation. Isaac prayed to God to send them a child. Soon afterwards, Rebekah gave birth to twin boys, Esau and Jacob. But the two boys were very different from one another. Esau was Isaac's favorite, and as the older brother, he would be head of the family when his father died. He loved to go out hunting and often brought home meat for the cooking pot. Jacob, Rebekah's favorite, was much quieter. He preferred to stay at home. One day, Esau came in from hunting. Jacob was cooking a lentil stew. "Please give me some of that stew," said Esau. "All right," said Jacob, "but only if you agree that I will be the number one son and the head of the family when our father dies." Esau must have been very hungry indeed, because he said yes. So what did you learn today? It's on this one.
Okay.
That's Esau and his brother Jacob.
Jacob and
Esau.
Esau, the end.
Twins.
Twins.
All right. So, boys and girls, tomorrow or the next time, we're reading Jacob tricks Esau and Isaac. Genesis 27. Later, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the story for today, and I'll see you in my next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Later.